Let's take a look at finding the LCM of numbers on a TI-34 MultiView. We're going to take a look at finding the LCM of 20 and 24. So I'm going to press my math button. I want to choose LCM, so I'll choose the 1, or you can simply press enter on it. Now put in 20, and our comma is above our decimal down here. So if we do our second button and then the decimal, it'll put the comma. Then I'll put in 24, and I'll put a closing parentheses, but usually closing parentheses are optional on Texas Instruments calculators. And then press enter. And that comes back and gives us 120. Now imagine if we have more than 2 numbers. We got 3 numbers, for example. We want to find the LCM of 8, 6, and 9. Well, there's different ways you can do this. First thing I can do is I'll do an LCM and the first 2 numbers, which is 8 and 6. So I'll do 8, and then second decimal for the comma, and then 6, and press enter, and that gives me 24. Now I'm going to take that number I just found, that 24, and I'll pair it with a 9 and do the LCM again. So I'll do my math, choose the LCM, 24, comma, so second decimal, put in 9, and then press enter. And that gives me 72 as my LCM of those 3 numbers. Now you can embed one function into another if you're decent at the calculator, decent at technology. If you press math and you choose LCM, and then you choose math again, and you choose LCM, now we can put in our first 2 numbers, 8 and 6. So I do 8, then comma, so second decimal, put in 6. You have to make sure you put a closing parentheses here, and then a comma, so we do second decimal, and then our last number, which is 9. And then press enter. It gives you 72. Probably just as easy to go through and find the LCM of the first 2 numbers, take that, and then pair that with the third number and find its LCM. But our LCM of 8, 6, and 9 is 72. And that's how you find the LCM on a TI-34 MultiView calculator.